Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm giving you guys this nice glowy, bronzy, cute, smoky eye. Like, this is perfect for spring and summer, perfect for a night out, date night, girls night out, any occasion. Also, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this nice cute pony, and of course this is like a twist out from like yesterday, but I'll show you guys like the real curls it can actually deliver, you know. So make sure you guys check that out, and if you want to get this look and this hairstyle, keep watching. I'm giving you guys a ponytail review. Oh, my hair is dripping. So we're gonna do a slick pony today. So I have 2 bundles of Malaysian curly hair, and this is from Julia's Hair, and I co-washed it. Well, I washed it and I conditioned it, and this is the natural pattern. And I'll make sure to like wet it, and I'm gonna put like some leave-in in it so it can look more realistic, even though we know it's not mine. And it's like in a natural brown, like a dark brown. It's really cute, and it will blend in with my hair perfectly. So this is a 26, and then you have the 24 inches because I want it to be pretty full, because I just feel like one bundle will be too skimpy. And I'll make sure to have everything down below for you guys. And yeah, so let's get started. And so for my leave-in, I'm going to use the MAMI Choice Proceed with Caution 4-way conditioner. And you can use a detangler, conditioner, leave-in, and what else? A rinse out. So my hair is slick. I already did my ponytail, and I have a more precise video already. So now I'm just going to do baby hairs. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Garnier Fructis Style Slick and Shine Hairspray 24 hour. And the hold on this is 4. And I love this stuff I use for wigs. And my slick down. So I'm going to slick it down like this before I actually put use that before I put my ponytail on, because when I used to do that, I used to like really mess up my ponytail hair. So I'm just going to use this. And it's also going to help with my baby hairs as well. So that is done. And you just want to get a bobby pin, stick it in. Okay, so this is this bundle, and then I'm about to put this bundle in, do the same method that I did for this one. Put a bobby pin in it to make sure it stays. It's the back. I use 2 bundles. So I use 2 bundles, and I'm gonna spray it with some water. This leave-in with a little oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Benefit BROWVO Conditioner Primer. And I'm going to use this for my brows. I feel like this helps my brows grow. And I also think this helps my brows stay in place, so my brow pomade will not rub off or anything throughout the day. So to carve out my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Concealer. And this is in the shade 385. And I'm just going to use this to carve my brows. And I'm going to use the P.LOUISE base on my eyelids. I'm just going to blend it all over my eyelids. But I don't want to take it too far to my brows, so keep that in mind. I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Sweet Talk Pressed Powder Palette. And you guys, this palette is so freaking gorgeous. Like, look at the colors. Look at the colors, you guys. It's perfect for spring and summer. So first I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Now I'm going to go in with this dark shade right here. Also, if you guys wondering what I got these necklaces from, the one that says Cancer, which is my zodiac sign. So comment down below your zodiac sign. So I'm a Cancer, of course. And then on the top is my name, which is Kayla. So the Cancer one is from my friend's Bria's jewelry line, so I'll make sure to have her link down below. And then Kayla is from Sophia, and I'll make sure to have a coupon code down below for you guys, so you guys can save 15% off your purchase. And I think they're having a sale right now, so get it while you can. I love these layering necklaces, and I want one more. I want a longer one so it can just look like the perfect combo. So if you guys want to check out these necklaces, make sure you guys look down below in the description box if you guys want to get these necklaces. Now back to makeup. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Now for my face, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm going to use the primer. The foundation's in the shade 430. I love this combo a lot. It keeps me not matte all day, but it's a pretty finish. I love that it isn't full coverage right away, but you can make it full coverage. I love foundations that you can build up. And to set my nose area, because I have pores, I'm going to use the It by Pores Press Powder. And this is the translucent powder. I bought this when Ulta was having their 21 days of beauty, I believe. And I love this powder, especially for my nose, because my nose can get, it's the oiliest thing on my face. And it also helps with making it look like I don't have any pores. So I just press it on top of the primer. One squirt on this side, another on this side, and one on the foot. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 385. I'm going to put that all over my, well, not all over my face, but where I usually highlight. So So for my setting powder, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Banana. Now I'm using my Sephora Collection powder, and this is in Mahogany. I'm just gonna put that everywhere because. So now we're going to go in with the bronzer. So this is the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is called Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer, and this is in Mocha Mami, and this is the darkest shade. I don't know why I got the darkest shade. I don't know, I just felt like the other one wasn't gonna do anything for me. Like, it was really neutral. When I like bronzers, I like my bronzers to make me look warm, to make me look like that sexy mamacita that's been in the sun baking in oil. You know, like, that's how I want to be. So when I saw this, I said, this looks like something I want to be, you know? And then it kind of reminds me of the CoverGirl, like, color and ebony bronze. So I was like, let's try it. If it's too dark for your girl, we can return her. So this is what it looks like. I wore it once and it looked really, really pretty. So I'm going to show you guys the tea, you know, and then let me know down below if I should keep it or not, or I should go a little lighter. So this is what it looks like on the brush, and I'm just going to put it on one side. And then put it like right here. So you see the difference. No bronzer or anything on this side. Bronzer. Ooh, it looks so warm. Like, I think I like it. But tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. Nothing negative to say about this bronzer. I mean, it could be a little bigger because this looks a little small for my liking compared to like the Anastasia one, compared to even the CoverGirl one is a little bigger than this one. But the packaging is pretty. Like, this is really, really pretty. I love that it has a mirror. So I highly recommend it. It blends really good to me. I don't see anything patchy about it. Like, I don't have anything negative to say. Like, what negative can you say about a bronzer? You know, like people just find stuff to complain about. I mean, I didn't really look at reviews on her stuff. Well, lie, I did. I looked at Catherine's. But other than that, like, she made me want to buy it, honestly. Because I saw it on her thing and I was like, ooh, this looks really, really pretty. Here's to Sephora, literally. I went to Sephora after I watched the video. And I also picked up the Killawatt, the Fenty Beauty Killawatt, an afternoon snack in MOHOGANY. Love the name. She did really, really good with the name. And I did wear this as well. And it's super, super pretty. But I think I'm going to put some blush on. I'm going to put this orange blush on. This is NARS Exhibit A blush. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks with the same brush I use for my bronzer. Y'all, I love me a good orange blush, you know. Like, I love orange blushes. They just look so pretty. Just make you look more warm. These are what they look like. So first I'm going to go in with Afternoon Snack, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to put that on the tip of my nose. And to me, this one to me is like a everyday, if you go to work and you want like a little subtle highlight. But knowing me, I'll probably do this one because it's like boom. But also you can stack them on top of each other if you would like, you know. See, it gives you like a subtle, not too glittery. Like, if you don't really like glitter, this is a good one. Like the other side. But when you want to go out, I say do glitter, you know. And then I'm going to put the MOHOGANY on top. Yeah, it's just so pretty. I just feel like any skin tone can wear this one. I don't even know what color it is. It's like a... I don't know how to describe it. It does look different on me than in the pan. I just don't know what to say. Like, I just don't know what kind of color this is. But I'm gonna put some on my brow bone. And then for my inner tear duct, I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Lady Bird. And I just thought this would be really, really pretty to put in the inner tear duct. Ooh. I love ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. Like, they look so pretty. So for my lip liner, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in Cold Brew. Then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncuffed. And this one is just like the mauve one, so I'm going to put this one on first. And then go in with Unbutton, which is like a peachy nude. I'm going to take the Revlon gloss in Sky Pink. And then I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray. You guys check out this hair, Julia's hair. Make sure you guys check out these necklaces. And thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting me. We made it to 40K. Let's get to 50K by the end of the summer. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video.